This is just one of my indoor grow systems, and this setup uses an AutoPot, and what you see in front of you would be two of what they consider to be their XL or larger pots, and those are between 6 and 7 gallons in size. The media is a mix of 50-50 coco coir mixed with number 3 perlite. There's a tray down at the bottom that holds water. There's a valve that meters the water with a high-low setting that mimics natural conditions out in the real world. The reservoir is about 12 gallons in size. It's gravity fed out through the base of it to the valves, which meter the water in the bottom of the tray that wicks up to the top. The lighting system that I have on one side is an HLG quantum board for the 120, but the driver on it is actually the Meanwell 100 watt. And so I'm going to find out how well that performs. And on the other side, I have the Mars Hydro TS1000, and that pulls around approximately 120 to 130 watts, so a little bit more in terms of the wattage. So although these are not identical lights, they do seem to be somewhat equivalent in terms of what a lot of growers would use for perhaps a 24 by 24 or 36 by 36 inch grow space. If you're curious what these lights are suspended from, since I can't go from the ceiling, this is an old garment rack that I just repurposed and will be using, in terms of being able to raise or lower the lights.